If you accidentally deleted a watch face on your Apple Watch and are wondering whether you can recover it, here's the honest answer. Apple Watch does not have a recycle bin or restore option for watch faces. Once a watch face is deleted, it's permanently removed. There's no undo button and no way to restore it directly from a backup. However, the good news is that you can easily recreate the same watch face in just a few seconds. If the watch face you deleted was one of Apple's default faces like Infograph, Modular, Nike Digital, or any other built-in style, you can simply add it back directly from your watch. Just long press on your current watch face to enter the edit mode, then swipe all the way to the right until you see the add icon. Tap on it, scroll through the available watch faces, select the one you deleted, customize it again, and tap add. That's it. You have recreated your deleted watch face. If you prefer using your iPhone, open the Watch app and go to Face Gallery tab. From there, choose the watch face you want, customize the colors and complications, and tap Add. It'll instantly sync back to your Apple Watch. Now, if you deleted a photo's watch face, the situation depends on whether the original photo still exists. Open the Photos app on your iPhone and check if the picture is still in your library. If it was recently deleted, go to the recently deleted folder and restore it. Once the photo is back, you can recreate the photo's watch face from the Watch app. But if the photo itself was permanently deleted and not backed up, you won't be able to restore that specific watch face exactly as it was. So while you can't technically recover a deleted Apple Watch face, you can quickly recreate it using built-in options. If this video helped you understand how it works, leave a like and subscribe for more Apple Watch tips and wearable tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.